Hi friends, in this video we will be checking Arduino protective cover or case. So this is the Arduino UNO board. So here you can see 4 holes. So these are the nut and bolts which I am using. And first we need to connect Arduino UNO board on this board. We can connect like this, then insert screws in these 4 holes. So before that we need to use this part, so otherwise later it will be very difficult to insert that part. So first we need to place that part of the case, then tight the board. So I am going to insert the first screw, then tight it. So same way we need to tight remaining 3 screws. Okay, so let me insert second screw. Okay, I have inserted all 4 screws. See, then I can connect remaining parts. So let me do it one by one. On left side, right side, then the bottom. Okay, then top. Okay, then make sure that all 4 sides are clear. Okay, done. Then we need to tight it. Again we need to insert 4 screws, these 4 screws, then tight with the bolt. So this case is very good. Actually this is a transparent case. We need to remove the protection. See, we can easily connect the USB cable. So you can try this case, it's very good.